Hello everyone, welcome back to No Place Like Home. I'm so glad to have y'all here today with me. And today we're going to do something really special. We're going to make a beautiful gift basket. But before we do that, I'd like to thank all of my subscribers. I'd like to thank all of my new subscribers. And if you had subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell twice so you won't miss any of our time together. And as that being said, here we go. I will be using this bowl here that I got from the Dollar Tree. And everything that I'm using in the basket is from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be doing this for my sisters. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, I just got some gift wrap paper, and I just kind of folded it up. And I'm going to put this down off in my bowl. Okay, the next one I'm going to do, all of this just going to be for ladies, but you can do the men's, you can do children, you can do however way you want to do it. And I got some bath wash. And then I put all the big things in the bag. And then I got some potpourri. I'm gonna put those in it because every lady love these. I love them. I got them all over my house. Like I said, all these come from the Dollar Tree. This is Alvero cream soap. I'm gonna put some of that in. And then I'm going to kind of lay this to the back, kind of lay it to the back like so. And then I got some lady razors. I'm gonna put those in there. Then I got some lotion. This is cinnamon lotion that I got. I'm gonna put it right up in here somewhere. Y'all can see it. And then everybody loves socks. I'm gonna put a pair of socks in here. I love my socks. I'll use my socks everywhere in my house. I have my socks on first thing I get up in the morning. And then I got to see them advertise this on TV. It's for your skin. So I'm gonna put this in. You can just rub it on your face. I think she don't like that. Then of course, I got this cute little shower cap. I'm gonna put that in. And every lady love candles. I love candles. I think that'll be cute to go in. So I'm gonna put this in also. Things getting too far down in your basket, you can always put that down off in there and kind of have it, kind of bring it up so they can see a little bit more. So I'm going to raise this up a little bit. Put this in like so. Put some in the back also. So you can set up some. There you go. Now that looks much better. And then I'm going to put my candle right here in the front. Then every lady needs a brush. So I'm gonna put this brush up in here somewhere. Then I got this little headband. I think that's in here. I'm just gonna put that down in there like so. So the last thing, every lady needs chocolate. We love chocolate. So I'm gonna put this all the way to the back. I bet you Miss Brenda D probably said, "Oh, I hope I get this basket." Okay, so I got all my things in here. So I got some of this little threaded, these are threaded things, and I'm going to kind of push them around in there, and that just helps make your basket just kind of look pretty. what I'm gonna do before I wrap it up, I'm gonna let y'all see how it looks inside before I wrap it up. I'll be right back. I bought this bag here from the Dollar Tree. It was like it was 2 for $1. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sift this off into this. And then I'm just gonna grab one of these little fastens. Now, if you don't feel like making your bow, you can always grab one of these from the Dollar Tree. And I think that's what I'm gonna use this time. Okay, so this is our final results, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I had a fun doing it. Matter of fact, this is my first time doing one. Go ahead and try this at home. Not only for Christmas, it could be like for Easter or birthdays or whatever special occasion that you would like to just give your friend. And I just want y'all to have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And yeah, and be blessed, and most of all, be safe. See y'all the next time. Bye-bye.